Did you buy those beautiful festival ponytails but can't figure out how to put them in? Are you hairstyle challenged and need some tips before the next fest? Well, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to put on festival ponytails two ways. We're going to start with a traditional pigtail base. Brush your hair and get it as smooth as possible at the roots. Determine where you want to place your pigtail and rubber band it in place. Once you secure your elastic, braid down the length. On this side, I'm going to show you how to secure a ponytail with a braid. Place the extensions on one side away from the elastic you're tying onto the braid. This will ensure none of the braided extensions get wrapped up in the elastic. Once it's secure, move the braids around the elastic to cover up your initial braid. Once it's covered to your liking, take one of the braided extensions and wrap it around the ponytail base, securing the extension in place with a bobby pin. If you find that you can still see your natural braid, move the extensions around the elastic a little more to cover your natural braid. On this side, I'm going to show you how to install a festival ponytail on a little bun. This is another popular way to install your festival ponytails that I've been seeing. Start off by braiding your natural hair and wrapping it around itself to make a little bun. You can secure it with a bobby pin, or you can use the festival ponytail to secure it. Follow the same steps as before when tying in the festival ponytail. Once it's secure, move the extensions around the elastic to hide the bun. Again, take an extension and wrap it around the base of the ponytail and secure it with a bobby pin. And if you still see your bun through the extensions, move them around so they can cover up the bun. And now you have perfect pigtail festival ponies that will last you through multiple fests and wears, and is also headbanging approved.